Good day viewers, you are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations? We have 2 plus x raised to the power 4 equals 2 to the power of 4. So here is a quadratic equations which required 4 answers. So let's say we are given 2 plus x raised to the power 4 equals 2 raised to the power 4. So and here is the given questions. So the first thing we are going to do here is let's try and transfer this one here. We have 2 plus x power of 4 minus 2 power of 4 equals 0. Then let's try to rewrite this thing as 2 plus x raised to power 2. Then we put everything in the bracket of 2. So minus 2 raised to power 2 and everything in the bracket of 2 equals 0. Then after having this, let's consider this from these expressions. Suppose you have a squared minus b squared. So this equals a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So and a is difference of 2 squared. So when we apply it in this, we are going to consider our a. If our a is 2 plus x raised to power 2 and b is 2 raised to power 2, then by applying it to this from a plus b, we have 2 plus x raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 2. So multiply by 2 plus x raised to power 2 minus 2 raised to power 2 equals 0. From this, there are two cases here. We have this case 1. We are going to let 2 plus x raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 2 equals 0. And I try to expand this. So this one is in the form of a plus b squared equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Then I try to expand it using this expression. So we have this as 2 squared plus x squared plus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x plus 2 squared equals 0. Then we have 2 squared, that is 4 plus x squared plus 2 times 2 times x. We have it as 4x plus 2 squared, that is 4, equals 0. So with this we have x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 4, that is 8, equals 0. So we have this as a quadratic equations, so which requires 2 answers to this. So from here we consider these parameters as coefficient of x squared, which is a, and we get it as 1, coefficient of 4 of x, which is 4, and the constant value here is 8. It means that we are going to substitute this in this quadratic formula, which is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we have this as a quadratic formula. Then we are going to introduce all these parameters gotten from the coefficient of all this. We try to introduce it into this. Then we get the value of x. So let's try and do that. So by substituting those values, we are going to have our x here equals, so we have b, which is 4, and here becomes minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 8 divided by 2 times 1. So here we have our x equals minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared here, that is 16, minus, and 4 times 8 we have 32 divided by 2. And then x equals minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 32, we have it as minus 16 divided by 2. And from here we have our x equals minus 4 plus or minus, so square root of minus 16, that is 4i, because there is a negative in this, which is a complex discriminant. So discriminant here is less than 0, which means the roots are complex. So square root of minus 1 here is given as I. So therefore we divide everything here by 2. And by factoring out 2 and we divide this one by 2, we get our x here equals minus 2 plus or minus 2i. So here are the first two solutions to this, which are complex. Then we are going to consider the other case. So suppose we have case 2. So the case 2 says if we have 2 plus x raised to power 2 minus 2 raised to power 2 equals 0. So by this, let's try and expand this from the identity I applied above. So the whole of this becomes 4 plus 4x plus x squared minus 4 equals 0. Then by this, 4 cancelled 4, and here we have our x squared plus 4x equals 0. Let's try and factor out x from here. We have x into bracket of x plus 4 equals 0. Then we let x equals to 0. So our x here equals to 0. Or we have our x here equals, we take 4 to the other side, that is, we still have our x here equals minus 4. So these are other two solutions here. S equals 0 and s equals minus 4 are the two real solutions or real solutions. Then we also have the two complex solutions here. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please try to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.